In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a property in Google Analytics. Now, while it might seem a little daunting at first, removing a property is actually a straightforward process once you know your way around the interface. Whether you're tidying up your account or simply no longer need the data for a particular property, following these steps will help you achieve your goal with ease. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Google Analytics and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the home page. From here, look for the navigation panel on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll notice an option labeled Admin at the very bottom. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll manage your account settings, properties, and views. Once inside the Admin section, you'll see three columns: Account, Property, and View. Focus your attention on the middle column labeled Property. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it to select the property that you wish to delete. It's important to ensure you're choosing the correct one, as removing a property will permanently delete all data associated with it. After selecting the property, look for the Property Settings option, which should be visible in the same column. Click on Property Settings to access more detailed options related to the property. Now, you're getting closer to removing the property. In the Property Settings section, you'll find an option that says Move to Trash Can. This is what you need to click in order to initiate the deletion process. It's a good idea to double-check everything at this stage to make sure you're moving the right property. Once you're confident, click Move to Trash Can. Upon clicking this option, a confirmation dialog will appear. This is Google's way of ensuring that you really want to proceed with the deletion. Confirm your decision, and the property will be moved to the trash can. It's worth noting that once a property is in the trash can, it will remain there for 35 days before being permanently deleted. This means you have a grace period to recover the property and its data if you change your mind or realize you need it back. To do so, simply access the trash can within that time frame and restore the property. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a property from your Google Analytics account. Remember, always double-check before deleting to avoid any unintended loss of important data. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.